My dear students, we are in the chapter complex number and we are in the last exercise, that is exercise 2.5. We have taken the first question. Okay, before starting the first question, let us know what are the things we have to know to solve this type of question. At first, you know the factorizing formula of this a square minus b square. Can you say what is the factorizing formula? Yes, you are right, a plus b into a minus b. After that, what is the value of I square? Yes, right, minus 1. Then suppose one more thing we need here. Suppose what is the value of minus 4, square root of minus 4? How will write? Someone will say, sir, we can write like this. Then let us separate them. We can separate in this way. And here square root of minus 1 is I, square root of 4 is 2. Okay, so this is 2i. But we will not go for long method. Instead, we will do like this from today. Okay, please learn it. Square root of minus 4. Whenever there is minus, in one line we will do from now. When there is minus under the square root, you write I at first. Okay, then what is the square root of 4? 2. That means actually it is 2i. Like this, square root of minus 9, 3i. Square root of suppose minus 16, for minus is there under the square root, so obviously I is there, and square root of 16, 4i. We shall follow this. Okay, now let us do number A. X square plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, x square. Now this 4, this is the first sum, that's why I am doing step by step. Let us write minus, then minus 1, because we want to make it plus. How? Minus is plus, this 4. I think there is no problem at all. Okay, so here x square minus this 4, let us write. What is the value of 1 minus 1? It was I square. Okay, I square equal to minus 1. Now here what we are here for? To solve this equation. How? By the method of factorization. We have to factorize. Now we have to think there are two squares number and we have to factorize. So how do we know? Only this formula, because difference of two square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So let us express as a square, 2i square, x square, 4i square is 2i whole square, you can write. Now this is again in the form a square minus b square. So let us write a plus b into a minus b is equal to 0. Now you see, product of two number is 0 when it is possible. I am giving an example. Suppose 3 into is equal to 0 when it is possible, when this is 0, or one number into 5 is equal to 0 when it is possible, when this is 0. The result 0 is also possible in this case, 0 into 0 equal to 0. So that means product of two number is 0. It means that either of them must be 0. So either this is 0 or this is 0. So let us write that either x plus 2i is equal to 0 or x minus 2i is also equal to 0. So what is x? Minus 2i. Here what is x? Plus 2i. So let us combine the solution. X equal to 2i, this 2i we have written, comma this minus 2i. If we want, we can write like this also. But if we combine both, plus minus, that is this is included, again this is included, 2i. Okay, now let us do the second one, number B. 9x square plus 16 is equal to 0. Let us solve it. This is the question. Now we are solving. Now how can we express as a difference of square? 9x square and plus 16, how can I write? Minus 16i square. From here we learned, is not it? Okay, if you did not understand, you will send me in the comment. I will again explain in the comment. This is 3x square, 16i square, so we can express as 4i square. This is in the form a square minus b square, so we can express as a plus b, a minus b. Again you see, product of two number is 0 when it is possible, when yes, either of them is 0. Either 3x plus 4i is equal to 0 or 3x minus 4i is equal to 0. It means 3x is equal to minus 4i, so x equal to minus 4i by 3, and here 3x equal to how much? It is minus 4i, on the other side plus 4i. So x equal to 4i by 3. That means x equal to 4i by this 4i by 3 and minus 4i by 3. Okay, let us do number C here. So we are writing number C, we are solving it. 4x square plus 49 is equal to 0. This is 4x square minus, we have written minus. So how to correct it? Yes, 49 along with it we shall write I square. Then it is correct. Okay, now as a square we shall write 4x square. How will express? Twice x square. 7i square will write 7i whole square equal to 0. 7 square is 49, I square. Okay, correct. Now we shall express as a factorization because this is in the form a square minus b square. So twice x plus 7i, twice x minus 7i is equal to 0. So we shall write either this is 0 or this is 0. Twice x plus 7i is equal to 0 or twice x minus 7i is equal to 0. Correct. Now from here we want to find what is twice x. Plus 7i on the other side minus 7i. So x equal to minus 7i by 2 and here twice x minus 7i on the other side will be plus 7i. Correct? So what will be x? 7i by 2. So what is the solution? This at first let us write the positive value and the negative value. Have you understood? Now dear students, we are in question number 2. Before discussing this question number 2, we have to know about quadratic equation. Actually these questions should be extended part of quadratic equation. Now what is quadratic equation? Let us see. Any equation of this form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 where a, b, c are real number and a cannot be 0 or a is not 0, that is a standard form of quadratic equation. It is a quadratic equation. It should have two solutions or two roots. We use the word roots. Solution means root here. Now here there are many methods how to solve this equation. One method is quadratic equation formula. By this we find that x equal to, this is a direct formula, minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by twice a. Okay, now the nature of the roots depends on the value of this. This is called discriminant. Discriminant denoted by d. Here d equal to b square minus 4ac, or this equation solution can also be written as minus b plus minus square root of d divided by twice a. I repeat that nature of the roots depend on it. Sometimes its value may be positive, its may be value 0, its value may be negative. Okay, here we are here in the chapter of complex number, so we shall discuss only that topic when the roots are imaginary. The roots are imaginary when d, okay, let me discuss from the beginning. If d is positive, roots are real and distinct. Distinct means separate, different. This is the first case. Second case, if d equal to 0, roots are real and equal. Roots are real and equal. Okay. Third, if d is less than 0, তার মানে d যদি নেগেটিভ থাকে তাহলে roots are imaginary. তার মানে তেনেকুৱা সিচুয়েশন হ'ব এনেকুৱা স্কয়ার রুট অফ কিবা আছে root 2 minus square root of minus 2 square root of minus 20 এনেকুৱা কিবা সিচুয়েশন থাকিলে roots to কেনেকুৱা হ'ব imaginary. We will discuss this fact here. Okay, so the first question is, here we have taken this 2x square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. How to solve this? We shall use this formula. If we want to find the value of x, at first we have to find d. We have to see, because the question is discuss the nature of the roots. So these three things we have to discuss. Correct? So we have to know d falls under this, or d falls under this, or d falls under this. So before knowing this, we have to find d. What is d? So what is d? B square minus 4ac. So dear students, here where you have to know what is a, what is b, and what is c. What is a here? If we compare with that standard form, a is 2, b is minus 4, c is 3. So a is 2, B is -4, C is 3. Okay, this is the earliest stage, so you may write this in the rough. Some students even write in the fair copy also, no problem at all. So here we have D equal to B square minus 4AC. What is B? -4. So it's square. 4A is 2, C is 3. 4 square is how much? 16 minus 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24. So what is the difference? -8. So we have found that D is negative, less than 0. Here D is less than 0. So what will say about the nature of the roots? Yes, nature of the roots are imaginary, or we should say that roots are not real. So roots are not real. Okay, for real roots either D is greater than 0 or D is equal to 0, or even we can write, if we combine them, D is equal to greater than equal to 0. Okay, roots are not real. This is the first step. Then solve them. Okay, we will solve them using that formula. So we know quadratic formula we shall use. X equal to -b plus minus square root of D divided by twice A. Minus, what is the value of B? -4. Plus minus square root of D. What is D? Value of D? -8 divided by 2 into A. What is the value of A? 2. One more step we can do here. This is 4 plus 4 plus minus. Okay, now I have already discussed, if minus is there we always write 8. Square root of 8, how you write? Square root of 8, let us discuss here. 2 into 2 into 2. 1 2 will come out 2. 2 root 2 divided by 4. Okay, then from here we shall take something common. What is common here? 2 is common. 2 is common. So what will be left? 2 plus minus both are there. This 2 is common. So root 2I will be left inside the bracket. Root 2I divided by this 4. 2. So x equal to 2 plus minus root 2I. Okay, this I is not under the square root. Therefore, if you want to write like this is the solution, or even you can write like this also. 2 plus root 2I by 2, or 2 minus root 2I by 2. Okay, dear students, we are in number B. Let us write the question again. Y square plus 16y plus 73 equal to 0. Now we know the procedure, how to solve. So at first discuss the nature of the roots. To find the nature of the roots, what will find? Discriminant. Yes. So here D is equal to B square minus 4AC. What is B? 16 square. 4 A is 1. Nothing is there, that means 1. C is 73. 16 square 256 minus 4 into 73. Let us find out. 292. So the difference is, let us subtract 256. 6 is minus 36. So here you see this is minus 36. That means less than 0. D is less than 0. D is less than 0. So what will write? Roots are not real. The roots are real only in this case. Either D is greater than 0 or equal to 0. If D is less than 0, roots are not real. Okay. So first part done. Second part, solve them. So we know x equal to minus b plus minus square root of d divided by twice. Sorry, not x here. It is y. I am very sorry for this. Okay. Now some student may write like this also. Minus b plus minus square root of this formula, b square minus 4ac. Here it is the same thing. Either you write b square minus 4ac by d. D is very simple, just a letter, and here we have to write b square minus 4ac. Okay, that's why I prefer to write d only. Okay, minus, what is b? 16 plus minus, the value of d is square root of minus 36 to a. A is how much? 1. Correct? So this is minus 16 plus minus square root of minus 36. As minus is there under square root, so I will be there as square root 36. 6i divided by 2. Correct? Okay. let us take 2 common from here. So here it is minus 8 plus minus 3i by 2. 2 to cancel, minus 8 plus minus 3i. So therefore x equal to minus 8 plus 3i, or one answer may be minus 8 minus 3i. Now we have taken number C. Let us take the what is the nature of the roots? Roots are not real. First part is done. Now second part, we have what is x minus b plus minus square root of d by twice a, minus what is b 1 plus minus what is d minus 3 2, a is 1. I will write minus 1 plus minus root 3, because square root of 3 we cannot find directly, we'll keep like this only. So and minus is there also under the square root, so I divided by 2. So here let us write the answer. Therefore we cannot proceed further. Okay, so it will be minus 1 plus root 3i by 2 root over 3i by 2, or minus 1 minus root 3i by 2. Okay, always you will find, we have solved it, you will find that the roots are conjugate. Minus 1 root 3i divided by 2 divided by, only difference is there. If it is plus, it will be minus. Okay, my dear beloved student, now we have taken a beautiful question, question number 3. Let us read the question. If the roots of the equation ax square plus twice bx plus c equal to 0 are imaginary, then prove that the roots of the equation ay square plus 2 within bracket a plus b into y plus within bracket a plus twice b plus c equal to 0 are also imaginary. It means if the roots of these are imaginary, we have to prove that roots of these are also imaginary. Procedure to ekdom easy hobo, chinta na koriba. Thik ache, here for the equation ax square plus twice bx plus c equal to 0, the roots kenoka roots ase, roots are imaginary. Okay, imaginary hole ki hobo, d2 ki hobo less than 0 hobo. ঠিক আছে, okay, so or d2 কি আসলে here they already a b c ase, so we shall not use small a b c, we shall use like this. In that case b square minus 4ac is equal to less than 0. Now let us substitute their values. What is b? Twice b square, 4 a की मान a, c की मान c is less than 0, और 4b square minus 4ac is less than 0. We can take 4 common. Let us see which result we will require. We don't know at present. This is less than 0. Okay, this thing we have obtained from the given situation, given data. Now prove that. Now we have to go for this. Okay, for the equation we have to find the nature of the roots. Nature of the roots are imaginary, so we have to find d. So let us write the equation at first. For the equation, what is the equation? ay square plus twice of a plus b into y plus a plus twice b plus c equal to 0. Let us find d. What is d? Again same thing, b square minus 4ac. Small a b c are included, so we cannot write a b square, small b square minus 4ac, okay, because meaning will be different then. What is b? B is twice a plus b, okay, its square, we shall write square. 4 a is this, again c. What is c? A plus twice b plus c. Okay, sorry, up to this much, I am very sorry. So here this is 2 square is 4 a plus b whole square. Now let us write like this only. We can simplify from here also. Okay, now from these two what is common? 4 is common, so what will be left? A plus b whole square. So here what is left? A into a plus twice b plus c. This is left. Let us simplify it here. This is 4. Okay, now let us expand a plus b whole square. So what is this? A square plus twice ab plus b square. Next we shall multiply with a into a square, so minus is there, minus a square, then minus a into 2b minus 2ab minus 2ab, then minus a into c minus ac minus ac. Can we cancel? Yes, we can cancel these two, we can even cancel these two. So what is left? 4. This is b square minus ac. But my dear students, you look at this, what we have already found. 4 into b square minus 4 4 into b square minus ac is less than 0. So what we have found? We have already found that this is negative, less than 0. Okay, you can write here, this is 1, from the relation 1, from 1, right? So hence if d is less than 0, so what is the conclusion? The nature of the roots of this equation is also right, imaginary. Since d is less than 0, so roots of the equation, what is the equation? Let us write ay square plus 2a plus b into y plus a plus twice b plus c equal to 0 are imaginary. Okay, dear students, now we are in question number 4 and let us read the question. Find the quadratic equation with real coefficients, one of whose roots is 2 plus 5. Another side question. Okay, we will find. So in question number 2, when we solve, the question was find the nature of the roots and solve. In question number 4, at the end also I said, or you have even observed, that the two roots, if first condition is that if the roots are imaginary, then you have already found that if roots are imaginary, then what are the nature of the roots? They are conjugate of each other. এটা যদি a plus ib হয় আর ওটা a minus ib, এটা যদি x plus iy হয় আর ওটা x minus iy হবে. Okay, this is the first thing. Next, how to frame the equation. তেতিয়া যদি এনেকা আমি থাকে x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots, etu ami is equal to 0. We'll take this format. This is the format to frame a quadratic equation if we know the sum of the roots and the product of the roots. Okay, so let us find the sum of the roots. তো ইয়াত এটা ৰুট আছে 2 + 5i আৰু এটা ৰুট কিমান হ'ব 2 - 5i এটো কনজুগেট হ'ব সো লেট আস রাইট সিন্স one root is 2 + 5i then the other root is কিমান হ'ব 2 - 5i okay তার পিছত কি ওলাব লাগে sum ওলাম sum of the roots and then product of the roots sum of roots কিমান এই দুটো আমি অ্যাড করিম 2 + 5i plus 2 - 5i these two will get cancelled 4 then next what will find product of the roots let us find product okay this is of the form a plus b then this is in the form a minus b so their product a square minus b square isn't it so this is 4 minus 25 I square minus 4 square কিমান 16 আৰু এটো I square is -1 so এটো +16 হৈ যাব 9 + 16 is 25 okay so we have found both s and p let us write that format so the required quadratic equation is কিমান হ'ব let us write the format x square minus s into x x means sum of the roots plus product of the roots into 0 equal to 0 x square minus s is -6 into x plus product is 25 is equal to 0 so x square plus 6x plus 25 is equal to 0 আমি এতিয়া number c কৰিম okay now dear students we are in number c now let us solve it this is of course in the form of a plus ib denominator ase no problem at all so since the same procedure will do since one of the root is this so what will be the other root let us write that part since one of the root is -1 minus I root 3 divided by 2 then the other root is, let us take its conjugate. When we write conjugate, if we find that the roots are imaginary, if here one root is imaginary, so next root is also imaginary, so they will be conjugate of each other. Minus 1 here minus ase, so we shall write plus I root 3 divided by 2. Okay, so then we shall find the sum and the product. Then sum of the roots, minus 1 minus I root 3 divided by 2 plus etu same vastu minus 1 plus I root 3 divided by 2. Correct? We'll take the LCM 2 minus 1 minus I root 3 minus etu plus hobo, so plus thakile sign keta same thakibo, minus 1 plus I root 3. Okay, here this two part will get cancelled, minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 by 2 minus 1 whole. Correct? Then what to find? Product of the roots. Product of roots. So we shall multiply. Kenaka multiply korim dekha. Ekone very simple thing. Minus 1 minus I root 3 divided by 2 into next to kiman ase minus 1 plus I root 3 divided by 2. Okay. Upor dekha kenaka ase etu bostu to a minus b into a plus b kenaka hobo a square minus b square, a square hoy jabo aru b square tolot ki ase 2 into 2 4. Okay, so minus 1 square 1 minus I square into root 3 square kiman hobo 3 divided by 4. Let us do the remaining part here. Okay, so etu bostu to kiman hobo 1 I square minus 1, so etu plus 3 hoy jabo, plus 3 divided by 4. So 4 by 4 is equal to 1. So we have found the sum and the product of the roots. Then what to find? The formation of the, here question is, you see, find the quadratic equation. So the required quadratic equation is, here there is one insect, we will not disturb it. Okay, x square minus s into x plus p 0, x square minus value of s, you can see it is how much, minus 1 into x plus value of p how much, 1 is equal to 0. So we can easily finish now, x square plus 1 into x, x plus 1 equal to 0. Have you understood? Now dear students, here we are here to solve number D. Okay, here you can see that this root is imaginary, so other root is also imaginary, and the other, what will be the nature of the other root? It will also be conjugate of it. It is minus c minus id, so it can go next to minus c plus id. So let us write, since one of the root is minus c minus id, then the other root is minus c plus id. Correct? So we shall find sum of the roots and the product of the roots. So sum of the roots, let us take minus c minus id, tar pisot etu hobo minus c plus id. Correct? Etu id cancel, eta minus eta plus. Okay, it is minus twice c. Okay, then product of the roots. Product of the roots. Let us multiply. Eta ki ase minus c minus id into aru eta kiman ase sailo minus c plus id. It is in the form a minus b into a plus b. So that will be a square minus b square. A square minus b square. Correct? Minus c square kiman hobo c square minus etu kiman hobo I square d square. Now what is the value of I square? Minus 1. So minus 1 to etu minus plus hoy jabo plus d square. Correct? So the required quadratic equation is x square minus sum of the roots plus product of the roots equal to 0. X square sum of the roots kiman ase minus 2c, x product of the roots kiman c square plus d square is equal to 0. So to let us simplify it a little bit. Okay, thus we have obtained the required quadratic equation. Okay, now my dear beloved students, we are in question number 5. Let us read the question. If x is equal to 3 plus I, then find the value of this expression. Okay, ঠিক আছে, আমি ইয়াৰ পৰা চাওঁ যে কি কি ওলাব পাৰো। ফার্স্ট অফ let us simplify this. X is equal to what is given, আমি তো ডাইরেক্ট ইয়াৰ ভ্যালু ক'ব নোৱাৰো কিমান আছে। সো এজ দিস ইজ গিভেন, তো গিভেনৰ আমি হেল্প ল'ম। ঠিক আছে, ইয়াৰ পৰা চাওঁ কিমান লৈকে আমি আগবাঢ়িব পাৰো। ওকে, লেট আস প্ৰসিড। সো x minus 3 is equal to কিমান হ'ব I। ঠিক আছে, ওকে। সো এটা এটাকে কৰো। লেট আস ফার্স্ট স্কয়ার করো। We have square both the sides. Okay, ঠিক আছে। তাই তোমালোকে সুধিব পাৰে, তো মনত ডাউট হয় স্যার টু দি পাওয়ার 4 কেলে কৰা নাই, বিকজ 4 কেলে কৰা নাই তাৰো ৰিজন আছে। কেলে আমি এতিয়া টু দি পাওয়ার 4 এর ফর্মুলা এট প্রেজেন্ট নাই জানো, এটা ক্লাস 11 ত পাম। ঠিক আছে, বাইনোমিয়াল থিওরাম যেতিয়া আছে পাম, তেতিয়া ইজিলি তোমালোকে গম পাই যাবা কি হ'ব। ওকে, সো এটা স্কয়ার দিয়ে কৰিছি, স্কয়ারটো ইজি আছে। সো কি হ'ব, a স্কয়ার যদি এক্সপ্যান্ড কৰো, a স্কয়ার মাইনাস টুৱাইস ab plus b square, its value is -1. So this is x square minus 6x plus 9, eto epine loi jao, plus 1 is equal to 0. So it is x square minus 6x plus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, এতিয়ালৈকে আমি একো গম পোৱা নাই যে কি রিলেশন আছে। ঠিক আছে, কিন্তু জানো যে দিস ইজ ইকুয়াল টু 0। সো এতিয়া আমি চাম যে এই বস্তুটো, এই এক্সপ্রেশনটো ইয়াৰ কিমান টাইমস, তো কেনেকৈ গম পাম। সাপোজ এটা আছে তোমাৰ আছে 6, এটা নাম্বার আছে, একদম ইজি এক্সাম্পল লৈছোঁ, আৰু এটা নাম্বার আছে 2, এই দুটাৰ মাজত কি ৰিলেশ্যন আছে। তো এনেকৈ ৰিলেশ্যন আমি ক'ব পাৰোঁ 6 is 2 into 3, তো তাৰ মানে 6 is equal to this 2 into something। তো এই সামথিংটো কিমান আমি বিচাৰোঁ। যদি সাপোজ এইটো ৰিমাইণ্ডাৰ আছে, ইয়াতে ৰিমাইণ্ডাৰ 0, সাপোজ এইটো 7 আছে, তো 2 into 3 plus 1 এনেকৈ কিবা এটা এক্সপ্ৰেশন লিখোঁ। ঠিক আছে, তো আমি এইটো চাওঁ যে এইটোৰ এই বস্তুটো ইয়াৰ কিমান টাইমস, যদি ৰিমাইণ্ডাৰ থাকে আমি এড কৰিম, ঠিক আছে, বা সাবট্ৰেক্ট কৰিম। লেট আস সি। সো এতিয়া নেক্সট চাম যে এই বস্তুটো, আকৌ কৈছোঁ এই বস্তুটো ইয়াৰ কিমান টাইমস। ফৰ দিছ হোৱাট ইউ হেভ টু ডু, ইউ হেভ টু ডিভাইড ইট। তো এইটো দি ডিভাইড কৰিম এই এক্সপ্ৰেশনটো, এক্স স্কোয়ার মাইনাস 6x প্লাস 10, এইটো লিখোঁ এই এক্সপ্ৰেশনটো, x to the power 4 minus 4x cube plus 4x square minus 16x plus 60. ওকে, দেখা ডিভিশন তো জানা, x to the power 4 আছে, x square কি দি ডিভাইড কৰিলে x to the power 4 হ'ব। সৰু ক্লাছত 9ত শিকিছিলোঁ x to the power 4 ডিভাইড বাই x square is x square। তাৰপিছত এই x square টো দি গোটেইটো ইনটু কৰোঁ, x square টো দি গোটেইটো ইনটু কৰোঁ। ফাৰ্ষ্টত আমি x square ইয়াত লিখি লৈছোঁ, তাৰপিছত x square দি গোটেইটো কৰোঁ, x square ইনটু দিছ x square minus 6x plus 10 কিমান হ'ব চোৱা, x to the power 4 minus 6x cube plus 10x square লিখোঁ, x to the power 4 minus 6x cube plus 10x square কি কৰিম, সাবট্ৰেক্ট কৰিম। সাবট্ৰেক্ট কৰিলে জানা তলৰ কেইটা সাইন চেঞ্জ হৈ যায়, মাইনাস হ'ব, প্লাস হ'ব, মাইনাস হ'ব। সো এইটো মাইনাস 4x cube plus 6x cube 2x cube হ'ব। এইটো কৰিলে কিমান হ'ব, minus 6x square minus 16x plus 60 একেলগে তলত নামাওঁ। ওকে, তাৰপিছত ইয়াত x square আছে, x square কি দি ইনটু কৰিলে এইটো হ'ব অবভিয়াছলি 2x cube ডিভাইড বাই x square, সরি ইয়াত টুৱাইস x, সো প্লাস টুৱাইস x হ'ব। এতিয়া আমি চাওঁ টুৱাইস x ক এইটো দি মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰিলে কিমান হ'ব, টুৱাইস x ইনটু x square minus 6x plus 10. So this is twice x cube minus 6 to the 12x square plus 20x. So to here put kuru 2x cube minus 12x square plus 20x. Okay, let us subtract it. It to minus hobo. This is plus, this is minus. So to simplify korle kiman hobo 6x square. It korle kiman hobo minus 36x plus 60. Okay, so এই 6x square আছে, তাক এই x square কি দি ইনটু কৰিলে এইটো হ'ব প্লাস 6। তো চাওঁ 6 দি ইনটু ডাইৰেক্ট কৰোঁ এইটো, 6x square 6x square plus minus minus 6 6 ja 36x plus 60 দেখিছা মিলি গল তো রিমাইন্ডার ইজ 0 তার মানে ইয়াত হয়ে গল এতে আমি লিখো therefore ওকে জানো কি ইয়াত একটা ডিভিশন এটুই লও 6 3 ja sorry 2 3 ja 6 so it is 6 মানে হয়ে গল 2 into 3 as remainder is 0 so this is equal to this into this so let us write therefore this expression value of this expression let us write plus 4x square minus 16x plus 60 is equal to কিমান হবো this into this so let us write x square minus 6x plus 10 into a2 x square plus twice x plus 6 okay but let us look at here what we actually found we found that কি ওলাইছিল x square minus 6x plus 10 ইয়ার ভ্যালুটা কিমান আছিল 0 আছিল দেখা একদম ইজি বস্তু হয়ে গেল x square plus twice x plus this is 6 so 0 into anything 0 তার মানে ইয়ার ভ্যালুটা কিমান if x is equal to 3 plus i so what is the value of this we can easily say or proudly say its value is 0 okay my dear students we are now in question number 6 here the question is if x equal to this then show that this x to the power 6 plus x to the power 4 plus x square plus 1 equal to 0 here each term we can see that each term is a square in terms of square that is this is x square whole cube x square whole square x square like this okay so what we'll do we shall find from this only we can understand that from here we have to find the square of this so what is x here given x equal to 1 plus I divided by root 2 so we will find x square ঠিক আছে তো এটু স্কয়ার হবো 1 plus I আর root 2 দুটারই স্কয়ার হবো okay so what is x square if we expand 1 plus I whole square okay let us write like this also some of you may not understand whole square দুটা স্কয়ার করে দিলো separately okay so a plus b whole square a square plus twice ab plus b square root 2 square is how much obviously 2 got it okay so x square 1 square 1 this is if we multiply this is 2i and I square is minus 1 divided by 2 so 1 1 will get cancelled so what is the value of x square it is actually here if we simplify it further this is twice I by 2 if we simplify it further x equal to I okay now let us take the left hand side okay left hand side what is the left hand side x to the power 6 plus x to the power 4 plus x square plus 1 this is so simple sum now okay so আমি এটু x square terms লিখো কেলে x square পালো x square কিমান হবো whole cube x square whole square this is x square plus 1 let us substitute the values what is the value of x square we found I ঠিক আছে I cube x square again I square x square I plus 1 আগতে পাইছিলো ফার্স্ট এক্সারসাইজতে পাইছিলো I cube কিমান আছিল minus I square কিমান minus 1 plus I plus 1 ইয়াত চোৱা plus I minus I cancel plus 1 minus 1 cancel is equal to 0 this is the right hand side is it okay dear students now we have got question number 7 here if x equal to this and y equal to this find the value of x square plus xy plus y square okay this is the question okay now how we'll do at first let us see actually what we have to do this is the expression whose value we have to find out ঠিক আছে okay x square plus y square we write like this দেখা তোমালোকে এটু ফর্মুলা পাইছিলা x plus y whole square কিমান পাইছিলা x square plus 2xy plus y square ইয়ার পরে x square plus y square কি আছিল x plus y whole square minus 2xy so x square plus y square আছে বস্তুটো x plus y whole square minus 2xy plus xy okay so ultimately if we know the value of this x plus y aru xy then we can easily find the value of this expression okay so we shall go for this x plus y and xy okay so what is x plus y and xy let us see x plus y okay এই বস্তুটা এনেকা আছে -1 plus minus root 3 divided by 2 plus y কিমান আছে দেখা -1 minus minus root 3 divided by 2. Let us take the LCM. What is the LCM? Minus 1 plus root over minus 3 minus 1 minus root over minus 3. Okay, this 2 will get cancelled. Minus 2 divided by 2 কিমান হয়ে যাব? Minus 1. So we have found x plus y. Now what is left to find xy? So xy লিখো ইয়াত xy. So যেতিয়া লিখিম, okay, let us write, then we shall discuss. Into minus 1 minus root over minus 3 divided by 2. Correct? Okay. উপৰত কেনেকুৱা আছে নিউমাৰেটৰ? এনেকুৱা ফৰ্মত আছে দেখা, a plus b into a minus b. তো এইটো কেনেকুৱা হৈ যাব? a square minus b square 2 to the 4. ঠিক আছে, minus 1 square কিমান হ'ব? 1 হ'ব minus. ঠিক আছে, এর স্কোয়ার রুটটো গুছি যাব, তো মাইনাস আছে আর minus 3 divided by 4. 1 plus 3 by 4 means 4 by 4 is equal to 1. Got it? Now let us find its value. It is so simple. Now we have found the value of x plus y and we have also found the value of xy. Now here we are asked to find the value of this x square plus xy plus y square. এই দুটো একলগে লিখো, x square plus y square then xy. If we use the formula, we'll get like this: x plus y whole square, x square plus y square equal to x plus y whole square minus twice xy plus xy. In the next step, what we do, let us simplify it further. এই দুটা add করলে কিমান হবে? minus xy হবে। তো ইয়ার ভ্যালু কিমান? x plus y এর ভ্যালু আছিল minus 1. Let us substitute square minus xy এর ভ্যালু কিমান দেখা, 1 1. তো minus 1 square 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Got it? Now we are in question number 8. If root over x plus iy equal to a plus ib, then show that root over x minus iy equal to a minus ib. এটো কেনকা তার কনসেপ্ট হবে দেখা, দুটা যদি কমপ্লেক্স নাম্বার ইকুয়াল হয়, a plus ib is equal to, suppose it is c plus id. We had already done this. They are equal. So here if two complex numbers are equal, then the real part equal to real part, imaginary part equal to imaginary part. This is the concept of this question. Okay, so here what is given? Let us start from the given a plus ib. We want to find what is the value of x and y. So what is the problem here? Basically the problem is the square root. So we want to remove the square root. So let us remove the square root. So for this what we have to do? We have to square both the side. We have squared this side. So here also in this side also we have to square. ঠিক আছে? So okay, let us continue it. A plus b whole square, let us expand. A square plus twice a b plus b square. Got it? So it is x plus iy. This is a square twice a ib plus I square b square. X square x plus iy equal to a square plus twice iab. This is I square is minus 1, so minus 1 into b square b square. Let us separate real part aru imaginary part. আমি separate করি দেখা, x plus iy real part imaginary part. Here what is the real part? a square minus b square. Imaginary part etu likhu I likhu aru twice ab. So comparing, what do we get? If we compare now, comparing we get x equal to real part a square minus b square. তারপর y কিমান হবে? leave I from both the sides. So y equal to twice ab. Now okay, so here let us take that left hand side. Square root of x minus iy আছে. So what is x? a square minus b square. I what is y? twice ab. ঠিক আছে, আমি এটা অ্যারেঞ্জ করব। a square minus, ঠিক আছে, 2 লিখিলো, a লিখিলো, ib লিখো আৰু এই মাইনাস বি স্কোয়ার আছে, কেনেকৈ লিখিব পাৰোঁ? ওকে, মাইনাস বি স্কোয়ার ফাৰ্ষ্টত ইয়াত লৈ যাওঁ, মই ইয়াতে দেখাব বিচাৰিছোঁ এতিয়া। So this is square root of a square লিখিলো minus twice ab. In place of b it is ib plus মাইনাস বি স্কোয়ার আছে সো উই ক্যান রাইট আইবি স্কোয়ার তোমালোকে যদি ডাউট লাগে আইবি স্কোয়ার মানে কি আই স্কোয়ার আৰু বি স্কোয়ার আই স্কোয়ার ইজ -1 বি স্কোয়ার দ্যাট ইজ মাইনাস বি স্কোয়ার so it was minus b square so in place of minus b square we wrote ib square ঠিক আছে তো দেখা এটু কেনকা ফর্মত হৈ গল a square minus twice ab plus b square কি হৈ যাব a minus b whole square তো a square root কিমান হৈ যাব a minus ib দেখা right hand side হৈ গল right hand side have you understood